Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your system meets the essentials: Windows 10 or 11 and a fairly recent GPU. Once done, close games and other heavy apps to free RAM. Next, download the installer for a reputable live wallpaper app. Make sure you pick the desktop-compatible build rather than a mobile port. During installation, accept necessary permissions and let the installer add the app to startup if you want wallpaper active at boot. This gets you into the app quickly and reliably. Run the installer with admin rights and follow prompts. Restart if the app requests it. Once launched, import your chosen file type, video, GIF, WebGL scene, or interactive HTML, and place it on the desktop layer. Then configure performance settings, cap FPS, lower resolution scale, and enable pause on battery for laptops. Make sure to set whether wallpapers run on lock screen or multiple monitors. These steps balance visuals with system load, so you keep a smooth desktop. Finalize by assigning wallpapers per monitor and saving a profile, so you can switch setups quickly. Then monitor CPU/GPU usage in Task Manager while the wallpaper runs. If usage is high, reduce quality or resolution scale. Make sure the app is allowed through Windows Sleep and power settings. If the wallpaper fails, crashes, or shows black screen, update your GPU driver first. Then try switching the engine mode or reverting to a static image. These fixes resolve most common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.